Saffron and fenugreek are two spices that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Here are 5 benefits of each. Saffron. 1. Powerful antioxidant. Saffron contains plant compounds such as crocin, crocetin, safranal, and kaempferol, which act as antioxidants and protect your cells against oxidative stress. 2. May improve mood. Saffron has been shown to help treat symptoms of mild to moderate depression. 3. May have anticancer properties. Saffron's plant compounds may have anticancer effects, but more research is needed. Fenugreek. 1. May help regulate blood sugar. Fenugreek seeds contain fiber and other compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. 2. May reduce inflammation. Fenugreek has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in some studies. Ingredients: saffron, fenugreek,